Hello, welcome to this landing page. I'm glad you are actually here. I want to especially welcome you on behalf of Royal Palm Academy for making it to this training. Now, in this training, you are going to be learning everything you need to know about Forex. And I don't really know what will extra $4,000 monthly do for you. This is one of my accounts. Let me just take you to my this is my ongoing trade. Now, today is Sunday 24th of July 2022. So Forex don't work Saturday and Sunday. But in the last 1 week, this is a fresh account that is not yet up to a month. In the last 1 week, this is a profit of $4,000. Not that we don't lose trade, we lose trade, but always make sure that your profit is more than your losses. Now, what will $4,000 do for you monthly? Let's say you are making $4,000. This is weekly result, but let's say you are making $4,000 monthly. What will extra $4,000 do for you on a monthly basis? Let's say so it's not yet up to 1 month, it's just a week. So let me take you to another of my accounts. Okay, this is mental fall account. All right, so let's see the same thing today. There's no trade today. Last 1 week, this is $1,500 in a week. Not that we don't lose trade, but our gain is always more than our losses. So what we want our $500 do for you weekly, and let's see in the last 1 month, this is $3,146. An account of $3,000 moved to $3,146. So let's say you withdraw this, and this account should be like 2 or 3 weeks now. So let's now say you are making $4,000 monthly. What can that do for you? That is what we are going to teach you in this training. Click the link below and move to the next stage. See you at the top.